Hi guys, welcome to Versethetic Academy, where we learn how to create beautiful things using heat pressing and sublimation techniques. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, just go right now and hit that subscribe button, because trust me, there is a lot to learn from this channel. A lot. So please do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So in our last video, I said I'll be showing us how to create designs in the new video, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So today I'll be showing us how to create our own designs. Let's get right into it. So I'll be using the Canva app. When you open your Canva app, you go to create, and then you type in what you want to do. So I've typed in t-shirt design, and all of these designs are popping up. So you see all these designs and you pick any one that you want to use. Okay, so I'm still checking and checking until I see the one that I want to use to be teaching us in this video. Okay, I'm going to use this one that says find yourself. I'll click on customize this template, and next I'll start editing the write-up to what I want. So as you can see, I've removed the find and I'm changing it to sanctuary, and then I'm removing the yourself to writing for growth. So what I'm going to have there will be sanctuary for growth. Okay, and next I'll be deleting the other write-up that are not necessary for me, that I don't want. Every other thing that is there that I do not want to be in my design, I'm going to delete them, and the ones that I want to be in the design, I'll just keep on editing them. Either I zoom them to become bigger, or I crop them to become smaller. So next I'll be choosing which color I want to go with. You can see after, when you click on the color icon, there are so many colors to choose from, but I'll be going with the green. Next, click on the share icon, then go to download. You click on download, and then you see several options popping up. Click on where you see that PNG suggested, and you're going to change it from PNG, you're going to change it to PDF. Okay, so that's it, PDF printing. You go down and click on PDF printing. That's actually better. You've seen it, the PDF print, that's better for printing. Okay, then you go ahead and click on download, and your image or your design will be downloaded. You can rename the design for easy identification. Okay, you can rename the design, and then you click on download, and your image will be saved in your download file. And so guys, that's how you create your design using Canva. Okay, it's not difficult, but it requires practice. The more you do it, the better you get at it. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So thank you for staying with us till the end of this video. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please do well to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section, and we'll be very, very happy to answer your questions. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye for now.